Hey guys, coming to you with the Sephora After Calendar. So it's not an Advent calendar that you open up before Christmas. They suggest opening it up after Christmas. This says, did Christmas go by too fast? Make the pleasure of the holiday season last and wait until the New Year's with the Sephora collection after calendar. Discover one or two surprises per day for 7 days with makeup, skincare, and accessories to end the year on a high note. So there are 11 items, 11 gifts in this box, and they suggest opening up after Christmas and do it within the week, 7 days. But you can do it as you like. I'm going to actually unbox this today. A few of the items, it does tell you on the back what's in the box. A few of these items I'll be putting in my daughter's stocking for Christmas. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and just open it up, and also for the sake of this video. So let me go ahead and file this out. All right. So here are all the gifts here. Really cute packaging. Okay, so each one has a date starting with Christmas Day, the 25th, so that's cute. All right, so I'm not too sure if they're all the same for the dates. They may be random, but for my 25th, I have the Sephora Cherry Lip Mask and the Pomegranate Eye Masks. All right. So I'll probably be giving my daughter the lip mask. She likes lip masks. And 26. Okay, this one has nail filers. And the pretty red, let's see, oh, nail polish. So that is very pretty. I'm going to wrap it back up in its paper. I'll probably just leave these items in the box and just throw them in her stocking, but I'll figure out how I'm going to do that. I'm just going to put everything back in its box. All right. For the 27th, this one will be for me. Looks like this is the full size mascara, ultra black. Wow, that's a great deal. My daughter is 11, so I let her wear like lip glosses, but nothing major. Do some masks. Let's see, I'm opening up the next one. 28 is the next one, sorry. And then it has cute little sayings. Yes, one had a heart on it, one said future, and the one had a little flower. So they have cute little things on it, images. All right, so for number 28, this one will be for me. So this is the eye pencil 12H. Looks like it's in the color brown by the packaging. Tiramisu, that's the color. And then it comes with a sharpener. This is so cute. And the retail price, should have mentioned that earlier, is $30 for this. And with the Sephora sale that's going on until the 6th, November 6th. You can get 30% off of the Sephora branded item. So this made this item $21. Shipping is free. If you are a Sephora member, it's easy to sign up. Just put your information in. We have number 29. And this is a blush, which will be for me. It's a matte blush. Excuse me. What color is it? Shame on You. I'm trying to open it up here so you guys could see it. They have this secured really well. I didn't want to break the tape because it's so pretty. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There it goes. Shame on You. So it's like a rose color. Nice little compact. It's pretty. All right. Then we have number 30. It also has like little sayings on here. Read lips every day. So each box has a little cute saying. It's very cute. Very nice. This is a lipstick. Excessively Good. Number 11, Sephora. Wow. $21 is definitely already worth it. It's worth it for the $30. But with the sale, it's even worth it even more. Let's see. I don't want to break the sticker, but I have to. Let's see here. Okay, finally. Oh, pretty red for the holiday, Christmas, New Year's, and it's so silky smooth. Oh, so pretty. Wow, I'm impressed. All right, last but not least, number 31. And this one, she loves crunchy, so she'll be getting this one. A colorful scrunchie, and then some little sequins. And then that's the end of the box there. So yeah, definitely a very cute after calendar. Or if you want to use it as an advent calendar before Christmas, do as you please. Like I said, I'm going to put a few of the items in my daughter's stocking. And I wanted to show you guys what was in there. So thank you guys for watching. Happy holiday.